Hello, thanks for tuning in. This is Sarah Nickel with Management Recruiters. Where are all the regional sales engineers at? We have 3 exciting sales engineering positions to share with you. We're currently partnered with a Northeastern client. They are a well-established, well-respected manufacturer of power conversion products. We're looking more power supplies and transformers. We're looking for, obviously, sales folks to interface with new clients, to scope out new potential clients, both domestically and internationally, comfortable with working with OEMs. Some of the prerequisite skills that we're searching for is somebody who has a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering or an equivalent 4-year degree with 5 or more years of experience as a field sales professional. They will consider an equivalent combination of the education and experience depending on what they're bringing to the table. One of the absolute requisites of this position is to have pre-established relationships within the transformer, substation, switchgears types of industries. So if you're in power conversion, power systems right now, you're a sales engineer, you have lots of trusted relationships, we want to talk with you. 3 positions are open. We have one based in the Midwest, one based in the Southwest, one based in the Southeast. Call me as soon as possible, 317-819-3417. Again, it's Sarah Nickel, 317-819-3417. Can't wait to hear from you.